Okay guys, welcome and welcome to a new video about Google Ads and Bing Ads threshold. So before we continue the tutorial that I made before this, this is a note where we are gonna finally release our course about Google Ads, and it's not just in this course we're gonna teach you how to use the account, how to get $350 in the threshold in your balance, and how to use this Google ad to advertise to your CPA offers, to affiliate marketing offers, and to make over $1,000 a month with this method. And the second thing that I'm so proud of is not only Google Ads. We're gonna show you how to use it in how to get free balance in Bing Ads, Google Ads, Pinterest, and Snapchat. So not only Google. So that's no one did it before. And yeah, this course it's not cheap because we made so much effort, me and my partner Jake. So the Jake he is recording the videos, and he made all of this. So now I'm gonna show you the inside of course what you will get. So I name it GA course of course. So in this course and yeah, I will after you pay the $200, you will find the link in the description. I will show you later how to pay. Okay, so what you will get, that's a simple intro requirement, what do you need. Okay, so I will show you where to get the bean from and what to get your VCCs. And yeah, so this is VCC source. This big list I'm not gonna scroll down because so much information it will be shared, but yeah, that's a requirement. And some tools also you will need, clockers and all of that. And the second thing, the best thing of this course is this. Okay, so in setup you will see, yeah, overview, how to create Google Ads, how also to create your RDP, Google Ads coupon, how to get it for free, $150. Okay, Google Ads, how to add your buy link, how to rank, how to use it in search, how to add in call only ad, and some strategies. And now we move to Microsoft Ads, as you can see, and then Pinterest ads, and then Snapchat ads. Okay, so and not only that, affiliate network that you need to work with, and campaigns. So that's we gonna show a live case study of what we did and some results we got. Okay, and something you need to know about Google Ads and Microsoft, and bonus. Okay, so yeah, that was the just quick. There is over 15 videos. It's step by step, and we are using a live account. So we open account in front of your eyes, so you can see live that is open. And in the next video after this, in this video later on, just watch until the end, you will see how we add the payment method, and we got $350. So now I'm gonna say how you will pay. Eventually we are using only PayPal. Alright, so we already have some students, so we have at least 5. Yeah, so we are making it for €200. Okay, so all you have to do is click chip in, and you enter your PayPal account and all of that and pay. So that is inside PayPal, so nothing scammy or something. It's inside PayPal. You have to pay €200. Okay, you have to type it 200, and yeah, after you pay, you're gonna send us to our support gmail.com, or we will also get your email once you pay in PayPal. And yeah, so keep watching and you will see this account that we create in this video. See ya.
Okay guys, this will be part. As you can see, our ad was approved. I waited roughly hour and a half after that, like I said, just to look more natural. And you can see we still have this message: your account cannot show ads. To start running your ads, enter your billing information, and we will do that right now. Also guys, when you go to keywords, when you hover over one of your keywords, you will see it's a label, and you will see same message: your ads can't start running until after you entered your billing details. I can immediately click here, fix it. It will take me to the same page, or I will go to billing and summary. So yeah, it's the same thing, guys. And billing country is United States. Organization name, guys, we don't want to use individual. We will use organization, or leave it as it was actually. And guys, because we used pest control service here, we will give it the same name like it was on our website. And I think it was like this actually. Yes, it was. And now, guys, like I said, whatever you want, you can work with card or bank. You can see bank account. I will add a card. Let me just find my info. Okay, I will paste my zip code and I will click submit. And we will wait. Okay, guys, it says pending approval. We will just refresh this. You can see here you will be charged when your balance reaches 350 or 30 days after your last automatic payment, whichever comes first. Let's click refresh. And as you can see, we have 350 payment threshold. And also, guys, ignore this. We entered our billing information, but it will take some time, maybe an hour or so, for this message to be basically retracted. And yeah, honestly, guys, let's go to our campaigns. Click back here. Let's go to ads and extensions. Keep in mind, guys, that RDPs are usually slower than your PC. However, here, guys, that means we currently can't determine why your ad isn't showing. That means that account is on review, guys. Let's click on keywords. However, we currently can't determine why your ad isn't showing. That means, guys, that our account is in review and we will need to wait. And that's all, guys. Sometimes accounts are on review for a long period of time, sometimes reviews are really short, it depends, but this is how you create your campaign. Like I said, guys, once we get clicks, we will just go here on ads and extensions, because this was pay-per-call campaign. We will put another one, call only ad, click create ad, and call ad here. And yeah, this is how I will suggest you to do, guys. And like I said, if this was a normal campaign, that will be it, and then you would just increase your budget, because we started with really low budget. Also, guys, one of the things that you can do is basically, I will show you, go to settings and you can change your, first we need to click on our campaign. You will change your bid strategy, guys. So for example, right now is maximize clicks. You will change it to whatever you want, guys. Honestly, you can choose target CPA strategy after campaign got some data. And that's it for now, guys. Nothing that we can do. We completed our setup, and I'll see you in the next video.